I have Clover, who's sitting here, right here, munching on her carrots. And I have a little video I'm going to put up of her trying to get through the fence. Percy was out with us today, the squirrel. Percy was right with us. And then this groundhog, Teddy. Teddy I've had since he was a baby. I was sitting with Clover and Teddy was walking towards me. And I don't know, anybody that knows groundhogs knows that they don't stay anywhere. They leave right away. And I was sitting in the lawn right there with Clover right there. And Teddy is walking from there right straight towards me. And I'm talking to him. And the more I talked to him, the more he walked to me. And it was so cute. Clover. Clover. Hi, baby. Hi, Clovey. Look at her. She's just chewing. Doesn't even move. So, this is my back of the yard back here. It's getting to be twilight. So, our properties are, all properties are kind of against something. Teddy comes out of there. He is the cutest. And Teddy's got babies. So I don't know if they're Teddy's babies, but there's two babies that is around Teddy. Back here's my garage. And so you walk around here. I want to show you something. Now, I don't know if she's still here, but she was a minute ago. So let's see. That's my old Explorer. I don't drive it anymore. Not much. I still do a little. So I'm walking out here to make sure there's no cats for Clover. And look who's sitting there. There's Mama. There's Baby. Hi, Mama. Now, I don't know if this is Mama or if this is one of her babies. Doesn't it look like this one is getting... I can't see right... Oh my God, there's horn. That's a bug. Oh. You're a boy. You're a little man, aren't you? You're one of Mama's babies. This is one of Mama's babies. Karen sent me a video where he was in my yard the other day.